You don't have to spend a lot of money to grow food. Actually, you don't have to spend any, and here are some examples. Many people buy single-use plastic cups to start seedlings just like this, and the cheapest I found on Amazon were $30 to $33 for over 300 cups. But instead of buying the cups, you can save food containers from the food you eat, and this will be totally free. Milk or juice cartons like these are great because once you are ready to transplant your seedlings into the garden, you can just cut up this box, this container, not to disturb the roots as much. Wooden plant labels, just like these, are $9 for 100 pieces on Amazon, but you can have them for free if you save popsicle sticks. You can have many free seeds by collecting the seeds from the foods you eat. For example, peppers, cucumbers, cantaloupes, watermelons, pumpkins, sunflowers, tomatoes, and more. Instead of buying fertilizer, you can collect food scraps that you can add straight to your garden beds, or used tea bags that you can empty into the garden beds, and eggshells that you can crush and sprinkle around your plants. And instead of buying special containers with lids for your seedlings, you can just put your seedlings in a bread bag to keep the moisture in.